Hey guys, here is the video after a long time. Sorry for the late, but from now I have started to upload daily videos. So today we are going to review MIUI version 12.6 by Xiaomi. So let's check the works special in this ROM and works not. You will have your kernel version as is kernel. So let's start the video. And before going to go video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget so you can check here. It's looking very good ROM. All the features are working perfectly. So let's start the video. First of all, let's say it's quick. I'll second you can check here. It is very good. You can use it from right side swipe down button. You can check here. All the options are working perfectly. You can also easily exit. And if you swipe from left side, you will get notification panel. And if you right side, you will see quick Kyle option icon. You can check here. It's looking very good. And if I talk about it's working, it is working perfectly like camera recording and dark mode and gimmicks. All the things are working perfectly. Also, you can customize it without any problem. So in case of quick file setting, this ROM is very good and it gives you a very cool experience for use it. You can also use it like dark mode and recording mode. All are working perfectly. Ultra battery saving mode is also working perfectly, and flocking wing you can use this option without any problem. After it, if I talk about Gen Park, there's some issue in Gen Park in this ROM, but all another function are working perfectly like earpiece gain and volume gain. So you will not have any problem. Also, smart charging option is working perfectly. Double tap को wake is working perfectly, and LED brightness also working. But in case of thermal settings, this is not working in this ROM. If I talk about another option like Wi-Fi and mobile connectivity, then you will have no any problem. Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi and hotspot all are working perfectly without any problem. You can easily connect using Bluetooth or audio sound is very good in case of Bluetooth. After it, if I talk about customization, wallpaper and personalization, there are many options in this ROM to customize the home screen and icon of your device. You can check here another option again like here many wallpaper are given here and many themes you can use in this ROM without any problem. Also some other options are given like wallpaper and quick tiles icon size. You can easily customize this option, and if you check about lock screen layout you can also customize. And if I talk about wallpaper, there are unlimited wallpapers in this ROM. You can usually use those wallpapers without any problem. After it, let's talk about some another setting in this ROM. You can check here always on display and locks. You can easily customize these options like raise go back, double tap go screen off and power menu. SS all these options working perfectly without any problems. You can easily use these options. If I talk about display, the light mode and dark mode is working perfectly, will not have any issue. Also the brightness control and another option like font setting working perfectly. Also overlay screen is working perfectly. If I talk about the quality of sound, you will have a good quality of sound without any problem. Also the vibration is working perfectly, and sound effect and additional setting in case of sound is working perfectly. You will not have any issue or any problem to use these settings. You can easily use these option. Also the vibration is working perfectly. In case of sound effects, you can easily use the equalizer and other sound effects in using earpiece, so you can have good effect. Also in case of notification panel, you can customize the style of notification. If I talk about home screen, you can check here the launcher and system navigation are given. You can easily use these option. Also icon size and icon height, you can easily customize these option. If I talk about double tap to sleep and double tap to wake up option is working perfectly. You can check here double tap to wake and double tap to sleep option are working perfectly. Even on lock screen and home screen, all the options are working perfectly. After it, let's go somewhere in this ROM where we can check another options like you can check here. In case of Viper sound, you can easily customize the sound quality of your music and media volume. You can check here playback gain, FEK comparison and automatic gain, automatic effect. You can easily use this option using a Magic module for your sound quality for better option. So this is a good option in this ROM which is inbuilt Viper you have in this ROM. So in case of sound, you will have a great customization in this ROM, so you will not have any problem. Also if I talk about security, you can check here, you will get face unlock and fingerprint unlock and pattern unlock without any problem. You will have a great use in this room. And also the speed of unlocking by fingerprint and face unlock is very good. You can check here the fingerprint working perfectly. Also you can check here the face unlock is working perfectly, but you need to swipe for unlocking a screen. So this is the issue I got in this ROM. No direct unopening. Also the fingerprint lock is working perfectly. If I talk about another sec, you can check here gestures or notification like quick ball. You can easily use these options without any problem. Also in case of buttons, you can check here different button you can use to use the different application and notification panels. Also in case of additional setting, you will have no a logo problem issues. Also in case of apps, you can check your system setting, manage and goal app and app lock is working perfectly here. Also in case of another option, you can check here the battery strength. In case of battery, you can check here you will have a good battery backup and the system UI is given different for this. You can check here the different battery drainage. Last some time I have using this ROM, so you will not have any issue to have good battery backup. You will have a good battery backup in this ROM without any problem. Also you can easily customize the battery saving mode and ultra battery saving mode without any problem. So you can also check here the battery drainage options. So after if I talk about screen time, you can check here the screen time is given according to daily or weekly. You can check also you can focus mode, so you can use your mobile device any problem. If I talk about special feature, you can have your game turbo, so you can use this king to play game more good. Many options are given here. In case of gaming mode, you can use this option. Also some other options are given. Also you can add your game. If I talk about video call box, you can use this option for video quality. Flogging you can use, and stacking space you can use in your device to create stacking space for your own space. So these are some options which are very good in this ROM. If I talk about the media volume, you can check here the media volume is very good. You can easily customize the sound of your, which is very looking good. After it, let's talk about some cache. You can check here the safety net cache is passed, and if I talk about Geekbench score, it's average very good. And also in case of Naked Checker by default, this ROM is dropping. And if I talk about some other options like Play Score certification, a device is certified,
Okay,
you can check
Google.
here. Also, OK Google is working perfectly. You
Hi
will have
there,
no any
I'm
problem
listening.
to use
How can
OK
I
Google. You
help
can check
today?
here. It is working
Open
perfectly,
YouTube.
so you will not have any problem. Also
Opening
you can
YouTube.
check here it is working perfectly without any problem. If I talk about banking apps, Yono, SBI or SBI like is not working perfectly. Some other bank are working perfectly. In case of calling, you can check here. You will have call calling option, but not Wi-Fi calling or video calling. You will not have. Also it has inbuilt magic modules, so you can use any magic module. There are some already installed magic module, but you can also install some another magic module easily. You will not have any issue. So this app is already given in this ROM. You don't need to install any magic file to look your device. So you can use this option. If I talk about camera quality, you will have a good camera quality in this without any problem. You can check here. All the options in camera is working perfectly without any problem. So this is the ROM for you, Kogi. You can check here. All the options are working perfectly. This is a gaming ROM. You can use this ROM for gaming. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can check here. Please subscribe my channel Kexolmec for latest video related to custom ROM and other option. Also you can check here. You will get different ROMs here. A daily average. Also, don't forget to subscribe my friend's channel, New Gag Learners and Unify Gaming channel. So this is the video for Google. Let's make next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for now.